Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to online edu classes. Today we are going to learn chapter number 11, Perimeter and Area, part 5. Children, now I am going to show the relationship between circumference and diameter. I am going to show the relationship between the circumference and diameter. For this, I am going to show a small animation. For this, I am going to show a small animation. For that, I am taken a circle along with the diameter and a small red point. For this, I have taken a circle along with the diameter with a small red point. Okay, children. Then again I have taken a red line. I have taken a red line which is divided into three equal parts. It is divided into three equal parts where each equal part is equal to the diameter, where each equal part of the line is equal to the diameter of the circle. Is it clear, children? Then again I have taken a violet colored line. I have taken a violet colored line which is equal, where the length of this violet colored line is equal to the length of the circumference. It is equal to the length of the circumference. Understood? The violet colored line is equal to the length of the circumference. Is it clear? Then, now see the animation. Yes, children. What did you all see? What did you all see, children? We have seen when the circle rolled or taken one complete revolution. When the circle rolled and taken one complete revolution, the circle has moved more than 3 times the diameter. The circle has moved more than 3 times the diameter. Understood, children? From this we conclude that the circumference is more than 3 times the diameter. Thus, we see that the circumference is more than 3 times the diameter. Is it clear, children? Did you all understand how the circumference is 3 times the diameter? Children, you can also take cutouts of circles and do this experiment. You can easily find out that the circumference is more than 3 times the diameter. Children, now we are going to find the ratio of circumference to the diameter. For this, we are going to consider three circles. We are going to consider three circles where the radii of the three circles are R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Okay, children? Okay. We will draw three circles where the radius of the first circle is R1, the radius of the first circle is R1, then we will find the radius of the second circle. The radius of the second circle is R2 and the radius of the third circle is equal to R3. The radius of the third circle is R3. And then we will find the measures of these radii. We are going to find the measures of these three radii. After measuring the length of the radius R1, radius R2 and radius R3, we find the radius of the first circle is equal to 3.5 centimeter, the radius of the second circle is 7 centimeter and the radius of the third circle is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, and now we are going to find the ratio of the circumference to diameter in the next slide. Children, to find the ratio of circumference to diameter, I have made a small table with 5 columns and 4 rows. The headings I have taken it as circle, radius, diameter, circumference and ratio of circumference to diameter. Children, in the previous slide, I have taken 3 circles and measured their radii We have seen for the first circle, the radius was 3.5 centimeter and for the second circle, it was 7 centimeter and for the third circle, it was 10.5 centimeter. Children, then how to find diameter? Yes, we know diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So when I multiply 3.5 centimeter into 2, I get 7 centimeter. In the same way, when I multiply 7 centimeter and 10.5 centimeter in with 2, we get 14.0 centimeter and 21.0 centimeter respectively. Understood, children? Now, how to find the circumference of these three circles? How to find the circumference of these three circles? Yes, I have taken the cutouts of circles with these radii, with these three radii. I have taken three circles, taken the cutouts of three circles, each with each of radius 3.5 centimeter, then 7 centimeter and 10.5 centimeter. After taking out the cutouts, I wrapped the circles with a piece of thread. I wrapped the circle with a piece of thread and then measured the thread. Then measure the thread. So for the first circle, I found that the circumference was 22 centimeter. For the second circle, I found it as 44 centimeter. And for the third circle, I found it as 66 centimeter. Now we know the diameter, we know the circumference. Then we are going to find the ratio of circumference to diameter. Here we know what is C. C is equal to 22. What is D? D is equal to 7. And when we calculate, we find it is equal to 3.14. In the same way, when we calculate the circumference to diameter, that is when we divide the circumference by the diameter for the second circle, again we find that it is equal to 3.14. And for the third circle, when we divide the circumference by diameter, we again get 3.14. What does this show, children? What does this show? This shows that the ratio is approximately same. It is almost same. It is almost same. Okay, understood? So now this means that the ratio C by D is a constant. That the ratio C by D is a constant. Constant means it is same. It is same. And this constant is denoted by pi. It is denoted by the Greek letter pi. Understood, children? The ratio C by D is a constant and this ratio or this constant is denoted by the Greek letter pi. Clear? Then that means C by D is equal to pi. That means C by D is equal to pi, where pi in the fraction form it is 22 by 7 and in the decimal form it is 3.14. I have only taken the this value for only two decimal places. If you want, you can take, because we know the division by 7 will never end. It goes on and on. But I have rounded it up to two decimal places. Is it clear? So in the end, what does this show? This shows that the circumference of a circle is equal to pi into the diameter. Pi into diameter, or C is equal to pi d, or C is equal to 2 pi r. Why, children? How can I write this? C is equal to 2 pi r? Yes, we know D is equal to 2 into r. So C is equal to 2 pi r. Instead of D, we have written it as 2r. Is it clear? So circumference of a circle is equal to pi into d, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. And C is also equal to 2 into pi into r or 2 pi r. Clear? A small task for you all children. Okay, now see the figure. Can you all see the figure? We can see the figure. So there are two squares and a circle. One square is inside the circle and the other square is outside the circle. Okay, children? Now you all have to say which square has the larger perimeter. Okay? And the second question is that which is larger, perimeter of smaller square or the circumference of the circle? For this, children, draw the figure in your notebook and find out. It is very interesting, children. Please do it. Understood? Is it clear? And in the next class, you will tell me whether the perimeter of the smaller square is bigger or the circumference of the circle is bigger. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.